Hello, today I will show you how to watch an home program outside your house. Like here, you can open the movie. Here you can watch this movie without any problem. You can watch this program without problem. I need to connect to my home Wi-Fi to be able to watch this series. Here the same, I need to connect to my home Wi-Fi. I have two things I can do. I can use a VPN or a SSH. I have an SSH server on my network. I will connect to the SSH. Now I connect to my home network. I will set up my browser now. Line settings. Now click here, select here. Is connecting the service. I will leave you information how to set up this configuration. I have a video for this. I will leave you the link. Now just refresh the page. Now I can access the program now. It's like I'm inside my home now. Comcast will see I'm inside my home. I can open any program now. It's like I am inside my house. Thanks for watching.